move or interfere with the post-it note.
Forward, back, forward, back. From there go right, back to the center, to the left, back to the center, out to the left, back to the center, far back as you can go, up to the left now. That's it, you're done. Perfect. Okay. Now, what we have is a perfect Gothic arch tracing. Describe our range.
The Gothic arch tracer has diagrammed the patient's range of motion. In this case, the range of motion is 10 millimeters. Ranges of less than 7 millimeters may be a limiting factor for successful treatment. There is no restriction of movement to the sides. We have also established the patient's midline. Take 50% of the midline and make an X. Using a number 6 round burr, drill a hole through the post-it note and through the mandibular tracing plate. Write the patient's name on the post-it note and place it in his chart as a permanent record. We now have a guidance hole in the tracing plate which establishes the exact position for the silencer. Now cut out the impression putty from the heels of both clutches. Be sure to expose all the holes. Rethread the stylus with pin end down. Mix more putty and place the material in the heel ends.
We're ready to go back to the mouth.
Good.
Okay. Bottom ones goes in first. And bite firmly. Grind from side to
Make sure the putty is squeezed out to form a good bite registration. When the pin engages in the hole, tighten down the stylus. Massage the patient's cheeks. Because there is no registration material on the anterior, support the Gothic arch tracer as you remove it. This keeps the two pieces from tearing apart. The bite registration is now complete. This goes to the laboratory along with a set of impressions.